Hello everyone, how are you today? So let's continue our making PHP MVC blog with PHP and MVC. It's correct. Okay, so in the previous video, let me switch with this, close it. I don't want it. Okay, open this. In the previous one, we made this not bad admin page. It's good. It makes by, tailwind, and everything is fine in here. The problem is, I told you before, is about the routing system. You know that we want something like posts. I want to handle this URL, and this our router couldn't handle it. So we have to make something. First, I have an idea. Let's make a folder called admin here on the controllers, and put the dashboard controller PHP and copy this into here, make it dashboard. Okay, move to trash, and this will be fine. Yeah, so we don't have login, register and login yet. We are just making, the admin dashboard things for now. So if I, refresh this page, it's not found, and I want to do something like when you hit the dashboard, you face with this controller here. So let's go on service. If you can remember what we're writing here, you can watch the first video that was live stream. Maybe in future I made something like make videos from these live streams. You can watch that. Okay, so here I need a function which is protect that function handle admin. No, get get admin controller name. It's better. Or admin controller name is better, I think. And here I want if $action is equal to, or this is better to do the, $this admin controller name, $admin controller, $controller equal to, if it's okay, return $controller, and if it's not, return the, okay. So on the false, we shouldn't have any problem, and you will see that then nothing, we would have our main page, and on posts, server error, post controller, okay, something cool, and everything will be fine. I should to handle this also, I think. Yeah. Is this server we should to return, 404, I think. Maybe should to check this. Okay, so everything works just for admin. dashboard. I want to handle something. You know, I need this again, but this time instead of the 2, I need 3. Yeah, first one is nothing. No, first one is something, second one, first one is admin, second one is what we want, what should our, you know, controller, what our controller should be, and third one will be nothing. Yeah, so here I need first one. So this is a duplicate. No, it's not. Okay, I will return all of this from. Okay, here I will tell it that, you know, let me pass the action and the URL path, so we don't need to, you know, do this. Okay, I tell him that if the path, the action, $action is equal to, if it's not equal to, you know, admin, mean this is not the things that we want, so return false. And again, nothing should be changed. We duplicate and test. Nothing changed, everything works. Okay, and if it's admin, we have to do this again. This time we need the first one as action, and if it's nothing, we need to put the dashboard here, and for this it's admin. So it should be admin 2, and I think everything is fine now. Yeah, so if I put anything here, the dashboard will be ours, you know. Okay, so now we can handle, you know, something like post index, no, posts. What about the, you know, we have the UC first here, and our create post should be, the URL should be like create post, and it's not good. You know, I need an admin, you know, I need something like, yeah, I get it. Yeah, so we need, you know, for the index page, for a non-admin page, that we have a single responsible for a URL. We don't have resources, we don't need to store anything from the main page, we don't need to delete anything, but on the, you know, here on the admins, when we want to, you know, have forms for posts to create, list and delete and edit things, we need a resource, we need a collection of some abilities, and I don't want to make different roles and different controllers for that, because it will make difficult for our application. So here I will, the dashboard controller is enough, it's good in here, but for posts I will make post controller PHP here. I'll copy this to here. don't need dashboard anymore, but we have index things in here. So we have something we need change on here. It's a little bit difficult. I'm thinking how we can automate the things. Let me explain to you. We need to support these rows. I think it's bad. Why we don't have autocomplete? Okay, we need to support these rows. Admin posts to index admin posts /id to show /admin/ post with id. This is a get request. Also, this is a get request. We need to /admin/ post to create page, and also this is a get request. We need admin /post /id. If it's the post request, it should be on the update. So we can fake it something like, it is okay, but let me put it post and, create and put it /edit. And post with post, make it store, and post with delete with delete option, or just it's enough. So don't need this. We here have an edit slash. It should be something like, it's not good. ID. Instead of post, you may some the model, admin model. It could be post, it could be comments, it could be everything that you want. These posts are HTTP method. So the model ID update, and it should be delete. Yeah, and we should to handle this. So we have the action. Instead of action this time, it should be $base route $path. It's better path. And this, instead of action, we should to have something like dollar model model name. Better model name. Yeah. So what the only things that we need is to return that we don't need to, here on the execute we are making this as an invocable class, but this time it shouldn't be invocable class. Yeah, this should be, So we need another execute. Let me copy all the executes, name it execute admin, and this should be returned an array. Yeah, and instead we need to move something. Okay, the action is equal to, okay, in the function here, get admin action by roads, and we need the action. Guess action is, it may be the null, and the request type default is get, and this should be return on a string for us. This time it should be return an array instead of just a string, and $this get admin action by roads. The action should be let's do something in here instead of this. URL parted $URL parted equal to this part as much as you can. So right, I don't want it to throw errors. Okay, how should we handle everything here? We have the one is equal to posts, slash, if we have the third, means 2, index 2, it should be action, or no, nothing. And about this, I think that was the, let me just request. Oh, this is the server. Okay. Where is this? Get. Okay, request method, and yeah, it's fine. Okay, so we have some errors here, you know, and put the dollar action here, everything would be fine in there here. So this should be bunch of if, you know, if or return something. If dollar action equal to let me match. It's better. So match could have nothing. Yeah. Dollar action equal to nothing. Dollar action equal to match. No. Match dollar action and the match syntax. What is the match syntax? PHP match. Okay. Do we have default in match? Yes. So on the default, it should return null. No, it's not good. Make bunch of if is better. So if the dollar action equal to, you know, let me bring this. If we have create return, you know, create. If we have edit, should be edit. If we have edit, return edit. So if it's empty and request type equal to get return index. Yeah. Other. So if it's not empty and the request type is get, you know, go to show. We have show. No, we don't have the show in here, but we need it. So, and okay, this should be post, and if it's empty and it's post, go to store. If it's not empty and the post, go to update, and an empty and delete. Go to delete. Yeah, index show store update, create edit, and everything should be fine, I think. On default, it should be return nothing, I think. Turn nothing. Yeah, nothing. Okay. Don't have nothing, so it should turn error. Okay, so I think everything should be fine. So we have the controller here. Let it be, you know, the admin controller. So the only things that we need is if the class exists. So here, okay, if $controller is array, okay, return $this execute admin and get $controller here. Controller here has an array. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Do I have one view? No, I don't. Okay. So this class exists. Get the name of the class. Now I need to change this. Okay. So this should be first one. Means, you know, this is not a controller here. This is a callable. Okay. The callable 0 is the class name, and you know the color callable 0, and this is the 0 one. Me $callable me class name equal to, make it list, $callable class name and $method name equal to $callable, and if class name, yeah, it's better, and the method name. What? Do this. Yeah. Or $method empty $method name. It should be not found. And get the parameters, and everything should be, you know, fine, I think. So for the controller's dashboard, on the dashboard we need an index. or nothing. In book, could we do this? Let me see. Call to undefined dashboard controller index. So this is the admin and we have nothing. We need to fix here. So get the admin. Second. Third means the third one is empty. Yeah. So here we'll tell that if just make the, on the dashboard, make the index. It's better. Everything should be fine in here. So for the posts, this is not found. So what's happened? On the post, we have index. Let me see, admin controller, return here, that dump, Calibre. What is this? So app controller, post controller here, I think. Yeah, this is okay. This is not found anymore. Okay, it's good. So we have this, and if we create server error because undefined method creates. Okay, yeah, this is good. Now we can support, our roads can support difficult actions for the, let me put it in here, better, better code readability. Okay. Yeah, I think everything should be fine now. Don't need to do anything else. Let me see how it takes. 34 minutes. Okay, I think this is good. For the next, I will, without the video, I will make the design for creating index page and other things there to have less videos there. And because I'm not good at front end and I should to struggle with building those pages. And yeah, it is. Thank you for watching. Good to see you, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you. Goodbye.